Each day there will be a different question. You draw your response, and then again, we put them all together into a mosaic. So now, no pressure here. I'm not the best drawing. But the question is, what does success look like to you? So let's see. I'm going to do a, let's see. This is a clock. My fingers are too fat. I should have used my pinky. Does that look like a clock? Come on! It's a clock, I promise. All right, well, I'm going to make it, I'm using my pinky. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Oh, I can change the cursor. See that? Oh, okay. So you know what? Here, I'll do another little, this is a mini clock. That's better. That's worse. That's actually worse. Whatever. The point is, I'm going to write freedom here. This is freedom time. There we go. Wasn't too fat for that one. Thank you very much. All right. So, once again, we just wanted to point that out because clearly it's a little challenging. I'm going to keep working on that. Maybe I'll be better for the next question tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed that break. Coffee with a view. It's gorgeous out there, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. You know, I got off stage. I had my iPad, and Randy said, "I think you need a stylist." I heard stylist. I was like, I think I look okay. He was like, no, stylist for the iPad. So thank you, Randy.